Look up at the sky. What do you see? One sun, right? Now imagine a sky with two suns. What would that be like? How would it change our world? It's a fascinating thought experiment that takes us deep into the realm of astronomy and astrophysics. We often take the sun for granted, but it's the anchor of our solar system. It dictates our days, seasons, and ultimately, life itself. But what if we weren't alone in this celestial dance? What if another sun shared our cosmic neighborhood? Imagine a world with two suns. Having two suns would fundamentally change the structure of our solar system. The sky would be illuminated by two sources of light, creating a surreal and mesmerizing view. Instead of a single star at the center, we'd have a binary system, where two stars orbit around a common center of mass. This intricate dance between the two stars would be a sight to behold, as they move in a delicate balance, influenced by each other's gravity. This dance of celestial objects would create a much more dynamic and complex gravitational environment. The gravitational forces at play would be constantly shifting, leading to a more unpredictable and ever-changing system. The orbits of the planets would be vastly different. Planets would no longer follow the simple, predictable paths we are familiar with. Instead, their orbits would be influenced by the gravitational pull of two stars, leading to more varied and intricate trajectories. Instead of neat elliptical paths around a single star, they would be subject to the gravitational pull of two suns. This dual influence would create orbits that are more elliptical and complex, with planets constantly adjusting their paths in response to the shifting gravitational forces. This could result in more chaotic and less stable orbits, potentially even ejecting planets from the system altogether. The constant tug-of-war between the two stars could lead to planets being flung out into the vastness of space, creating a more volatile and unpredictable system. Gravity is the invisible force that governs the cosmos, holding everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies in its grasp. In a two-sun system, the gravitational interplay between the stars and planets would be a delicate balancing act, a cosmic dance of forces. The strength of the gravitational pull from each sun would depend on their individual masses and their distance from the planets, creating a complex web of interactions. Earth, for example, would be tugged by the gravity of both suns, each exerting its own influence on our planet. This could affect its orbit, its rotation, and even its tides, leading to significant changes in our environment. The length of our days and years would change, potentially altering the very fabric of time as we know it. And the familiar cycle of the seasons could be thrown into disarray, causing unpredictable weather patterns and dramatic shifts in climate. Section 4. Earth's climate. A delicate balance disrupted. Perhaps the most significant impact of having two suns would be on Earth's climate. Our planet's delicate energy balance relies on the amount of solar radiation it receives. With two suns, this balance would be completely disrupted. The combined heat from two suns would likely make Earth much hotter than it is now. The polar ice caps could melt entirely, causing sea levels to rise dramatically. Deserts might expand, and extreme weather events could become more frequent and severe. Section 5. Life's tenacity. A question of adaptation. Could life as we know it survive on an Earth with two suns? This intriguing question has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike for generations. It's a question that sparks the imagination, inviting us to ponder the limits of life's resilience and adaptability. The extreme conditions of a two-sun world would pose significant challenges to life as we know it. The intense heat, fluctuating temperatures, and increased radiation would create an environment vastly different from our own. However, life is incredibly adaptable. Throughout Earth's history, life has demonstrated an astonishing ability to survive and even thrive in the most inhospitable places. Over billions of years, it has found ways to thrive in the most extreme environments on Earth, from scorching deserts to deep-sea vents. Microorganisms have been discovered in boiling hot springs, and creatures have adapted to the crushing pressures of the ocean's depths. It's possible that life, given time, could find a way to adapt to the challenges of a two-sun world. Evolution is a powerful force, capable of driving remarkable changes in organisms over long periods. The search for life beyond Earth continues to captivate us. Scientists are constantly exploring new frontiers, using advanced technology to peer deeper into the cosmos. As we explore the cosmos and discover new worlds orbiting distant stars, we expand our understanding of what is possible. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering the age-old question of whether we are alone in the universe. It's worth pondering the incredible diversity of life that might exist out there, shaped by forces beyond our wildest imaginations. The potential for life in forms and environments we have yet to conceive is a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. As we continue to gaze at the stars and dream of what lies beyond, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that the universe holds. The quest for knowledge and understanding drives us ever forward, fueled by the hope that one day we may find answers to the mysteries of life and adaptation in the cosmos.